Today's video is about Solana and investing with skill. Today's video is not advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Today's video is information only. Now, I am the self-confessed expert on how not to invest. I've said that in previous videos, but today's about how to invest with skill. And one of my successes with crypto has been with Solana. And this was in 2021. And how I 10x'd with Solana. Now 10x means you put £1,000 in, you get 10,000 out. And in my case, I put $2,000 in and I managed to take £20,000 out. Now, unfortunately, I started off with 600 tokens back in January 2021. And if I'd have just sat on the 600 tokens by November 2021, I would have been at $150,000, there or thereabouts, because the price had went up to $250 a token. But unfortunately, I sold before that point. And what I'm going to do is convince you in this video that I made the right choice. Now, what is Solana? Solana is a blockchain that supports smart contracts, NFTs, decentralized apps, and in my opinion is legit. It was created in 2017 by Natalie Yakovenko. I think that's how you pronounce it. Anyway, this video isn't going into too much about what it is, about the technology. As always, with anything you invest in, do your own research. And that's the same with crypto. Have a good look at the website, read the white paper, have a look into who the software developers are, who's behind the project, what's the use case, what does it do? And in the case of Solana, have a look at how many projects are built on top of it. What I would say about Solana, very basic, not delving too much into the technology. It's very fast. I believe it's capable of up to 65,000 transactions per second, and it's cheap in comparison to Ethereum. Now, as I said, I think it's legit. Go away and have a look into it. This video is not about too much what it is, about the technology behind it. It's more about how to invest. And like I said, Solana's been one of my successes with crypto. And I invested $2,000 back in January 2021 and I've 10x'd. I put $2,000 in and managed to take $20,000 out. I took $10,000 out, maybe April, May time, and another 10,000, I think it might have been June time. So I took $20,000 out, and this was very important for me psychologically, because before 2021, I'd lost roughly $8,000 in crypto. So that first 10,000 that I took out meant I was in profit by $2,000. And the second 10,000, I was up by $12,000. Now, I took that money out and it was a success. Now, with any investing with crypto, you've got to take some profits out. It's very easy for me to sit here and say, shoulda, woulda, coulda, be devastated because I could have been sat on $150,000 in November, but I'm really happy that I took the $20,000 out because I took profits out. Now, I wasn't to know it was going to go up to $250 per token. Obviously, if I'd have had a crystal ball, I would have kept it in there, but I didn't. I took the profits out. Now, if you get into an altcoin, I would always take some profits out. So you might put $1,000 in. If it goes up in value, take your $1,000 out, for example. Or if it goes from 1,000 to 10,000, maybe take 50% out. So you're taking 5,000. You're taking profit out. Then any money left in is just profit. You're playing with money that wasn't yours. You can relax. You're not getting all anxious. You're not checking CoinMarketCap every 5 minutes, which I have done. And I did do in 2021. But in 2022, I've learned to not check on it every 5 minutes. I'm learning by my mistakes, and that's what I want for anyone watching this video. Don't be checking on CoinMarketCap every 5 minutes. Invest with skill. Have a strategy and stick to it. If you like an altcoin, do your research. Put money you can afford losing. It might be $100, it might be $500. And then, as I've said, if it goes up in value, take some profits. If it goes down, just sit on it. Don't be checking in on it every 5 minutes. If the markets are tanking, get your head into it further, read some more books, because honestly, I think that crypto is the future. The crypto technology, the blockchain technology. And you might be fortunate, like myself in 2021, and get into a project like Solana early doors. So just summarize the video. This is me investing with skill. I've made loads of questionable investing decisions, especially between 2008 and 2018, when I lost money by being too emotional, not doing any research, not having a clue. I was absolutely clueless, and eventually I learned my lessons, and I've had some successes over the last 3 years since I've started to do my research, look into it, read books on money, invest in finance, blah, blah, blah. So it's worth doing. Get a plan, stick to your plan, get some form of financial plan. Now my plan long term is property, index investing and crypto. Long term buy and hold. And that's what I'm going to continue to do. That's my current plan, and that's how I'm going to get, hopefully, financially independent. Hopefully I'll find some altcoins like Solana and I'll manage to take some profits out. At the moment, the crypto market's not really doing much. Like Bitcoin, for example, is in and around $40,000. Altcoins are the same. They're going up a little bit, they're going down a little bit. But in previous years, like back in 2017, 2018, I would have just forgot about crypto. That isn't the case anymore. I'm listening to podcasts, reading books, trying to improve my understanding, because it's coming. It's like the future of money is in crypto. It's got a massive part to play. Just look at what's going on around us. Inflation is causing people in the UK, people worldwide, a lot of problems. And I think official figures are 7% in the UK. It's more like 15% or even 20%. So what's the answer? Because in my opinion, the current fiat system, the current financial system is broken because of corrupt governments, corrupt central banks. What's the solution? Currently, the best solution for me is Bitcoin and crypto. Now, don't take my word for it. Read some books, listen to some podcasts, and try and at least be open-minded. Get your head into it. Just look at what's happening. Look at the food bill. Look at the price of food, the price of fuel, your energy prices. It's all going up. So what's your hedge? What are you doing about it? Don't do what I done in 2008 after the financial crisis. Buried my head in the sand. I was anxious over money, anxious over investing, chased quick, easy money. And this went on for 10 years. Between 2008 2018, I always go on about it, made loads of questionable investing decisions. But now, I've finally learned my lessons. I'm finally learning from all those mistakes. I've got a plan. It might not be perfect, but I've got a plan. Again, long-term buy and hold, and a big part of that is crypto. So yeah, hopefully you've taken something from today's video, and if you have enjoyed the video, if you've enjoyed the content, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. Help me get the content out there. And if you check out the video description, there'll be some useful links that will help you with your personal finances and investing, and some useful links that will help you get your head into crypto, what I see as the future of money. Thanks for listening.